Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing Ecolocity's top 5 favorite features inside Smartsheet. Whether you're trying to streamline your workflow, collaborate more efficiently, or simply get more value from your sheets, I'll walk you through these powerful tips step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use each feature to save time and impress your team, so let's jump in. First up, let's talk about quickly sharing your work with others. Smartsheet makes it simple to send a colleague a direct link to a specific row, say, an important task or a project update you want them to see without having them search for it. Here, how you do it. On the left side of the row you're interested in, hover over it until you see those three little dots. That's the More Options menu. Click on it, select Properties, and then you'll see the option to copy the row link. Now all you have to do is paste that link into an email, a chat, or wherever your team communicates. This way, your colleague will be taken right to the information that matters most, saving everyone time. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to find the right spot. The three dots can be a little hidden if you haven't hovered over that area before. Now, on to our second favorite feature. Adding a column to showcase the latest comment on any row. Keeping track of what's been discussed without endless scrolling is a true productivity booster. Here, how to set that up, head over to your columns at the top of your sheet. Right-click on one of them and select Insert Column Right. This lets you add a new column exactly where you need it, no need to rearrange your entire sheet. When the pop-up appears, choose the Name option and here's the magic part, select Latest Comment too. Click OK and Smartsheet will automatically populate this column with the newest comment from each row. This is perfect when you want a bird's-eye view of conversations or when you need a quick recap before a meeting. And if for some reason it doesn't show up right away, give it a moment. Sometimes it's just updating in the background. For the third trick, let's say you want to save your current work as a template for future projects, but you don't want to overwrite your original sheet. Smartsheet makes this a breeze. Go up to File in the upper menu and select Save as New. This tells Smartsheet to create a completely independent copy, like cloning your work so you can experiment with changes without any risk. Give it a name that makes sense, and now you have a sandbox to play in, try new ideas, or prepare for your next big project. Our fourth must-have tip is using forms to gather information in a structured, user-friendly way. At the very top of your sheet, click on Forms, then select Create a Form. The beauty here is that forms are incredibly intuitive for anyone to fill out, even if they've never seen the sheet itself. Think of it as your entryway for new requests, feedback, or project updates, all collected cleanly and automatically organized within your sheet, saving you manual data entry. And finally, Ecolocity's fifth favorite feature, the Smartsheet AI tools. Over on the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a little icon for Generate AI Tools. Give that a click, and you suddenly have a host of powerful options at your fingertips. You can analyze data trends, automatically generate complex formulas, summarize vast amounts of text, and more. It's like having a personal assistant built right into Smartsheet. Whether you're deep in data analysis or need help drafting responses, these AI tools make everything faster and easier. Alright, those are Ecolocity's 5 must-know Smartsheet features. I hope you picked up something new, and if you have a favorite feature I didn't mention, let us know down in the comments. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Smartsheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.